Kindness is the desire to help others. People who are kind have a true affection for others, are empathetic, and wish to ease the suffering of other people. People who are kind and empathetic are likely to achieve both social and academic success. Being kind promotes positive relationships, improves life satisfaction, and increases feelings of happiness. To practice being kind and empathetic, listen to and observe others to learn what problems they're facing. Even if you can't solve their problems, just listening and caring are helpful to those who are struggling. Also, recognize that others, even those who are unkind, are normal, everyday people who want to be happy. That teacher who's got a short fuse today, that kid who's making fun of your friend, deep down, they just want to be happy. Performing random acts of kindness is another great way to practice being kind. I made a list of ideas for you, but you probably have some others you can think of. Finally, take a few minutes once in a while to reflect on kind acts that you've performed or received and how they made you feel.